Of the Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority is meeting with executives of the media in Abuja to explain its transition to a trillion naira organization after its 2022 full-year audit results. The public-owned investment institution says its assets growth indicated a 10.5% increase from the 919.73 billion naira recorded in 2021.
We grew our assets by over 10% relative to last year, and that landed us at over a trillion naira. What that means is that NSI now has reasonable capital to deploy both on the stabilization, the future generations, and the infrastructure fund sides. But more importantly, what that means is that NSIA is a faithful custodian of the funds that have been bestowed upon us by the government on behalf of future generations of Nigerians.
Top officials of the NSIA say its non-volatile revenue, such as interest income, revenue from infrastructure business, and management fees earned from fiduciary activities, increased by 34.5%. That's 15.7 billion naira year over year. The NSIA says that its total comprehensive income stood at 96.96 billion naira in 2022, representing a decline of 34% compared to 147 billion in 2021. It attributes the decline to strong macroeconomic headwinds.
As at the end of December 2022, the stabilization fund was up about 12.4% in Naira terms. In US dollar terms, that was about 4% in US dollar terms for 2022.
Even though between 2020 and 2022, the authority didn't have any additional government contribution, the net assets still grew by 32%. So in utilizing the existing assets without additional contribution, we have still managed to grow the assets of the NSI.
The authority, which invests and saves money for the rainy day on behalf of Nigerians, say it remains confident in its investment strategies and would continue to explore opportunities to mitigate risks and achieve its objectives.
There has to be consistent capital contributions from the government. Without capital, you can't earn returns. So I think that's the first. The second is our strategic assets and our tactical asset allocations, where there is a focus on diversification, focus on risk, and then focus on upside returns as well, will lead us in good stead.
The NSIA says in addition to rebuilding Nigeria's infrastructure, it will in 2023 use its platforms to boost investments in Nigeria's emerging sectors such as renewable energy, agriculture and healthcare, among others, which will ensure that it achieves its dual objectives of delivering financial returns and having impactful social outcomes.